Hello there, guest. Again, we are in the kitchen of El Pazo Mallorquín, and I will explain you a little thing that you must know of that kitchen. Yeah? Okay, the intercom of the house works when you call from outside. Then you come here, you press the key button, and the door will be opened. If they don't ask you, they don't call, you can't open that door. Okay, then we have the musical treat in all the rooms of the house. You have many deals to choose, and also you have a call to the kitchen. Yeah, if you have service during your stay, you can contact with them to ask everything. Yeah. Then we have in all rooms 2 thermostats, one for the heating, one for the air conditioning. In the kitchen we have only one because we don't have air conditioning in the kitchen, but you have the thermostat for the heating. Okay, I will show you in another video how they work. Okay, in that side we have the induction plate with 4 fires. You press that button with the key 2 seconds, then the plate will turn on, and then you choose your fire and you put the temperature that you want. Okay, easy, like all of them. I close, that's it. The smoke extractor is here, 4 levels of power normally. Okay, here you have the microwave and the oven. They are not very complicated. If you press the first button, you will open the door and close door. Then the last one is to start. Then you choose your power of heat. Okay, we choose for example 900. And then in that side you have the functions of that microwave. You can cook with time. You can cook per kilos. You can decide many things. You have programs also to cook fish, to cook vegetables, everything. If you want to put more time, you press the button in the middle and you turn, and you have more time or less time. Okay, then we say start, and that's it. It starts. Okay. Then the oven, you must be very careful with the door, yeah, because it opens very easily and you close down. Then in the middle you press and you turn to choose your programs. Yeah, you can ventilator up and down, only up, depending on you want to cook. Okay, and that side you have the temperature. Okay, I will choose that. I will press that button and I will turn. Okay, more time, more temperature, less temperature. In the other side we have time. Yeah, you press the button again and you choose time. Okay, that's it. It's not complicated, doesn't it?